Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So we are back. What we're trying to do today is finish the driver's side of this wide body. So look at how wide this looks. I just think this looks phenomenal. This thing looks great, but it's coming out good. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with how it's coming out. Just so you guys can see where we're at, I'm gonna give you guys a quick pan. This thing is looking pretty good. This is the lower half of the front bumper. That's going to be the insert. We have the wide body widening, front bumper widening pieces, I guess. Fender. We have the side skirts. We have the over fender that all we really have to do is push it to make it fit. As you guys can see, like I can just push it right here. It makes it work. I just don't want to do it. I'm going to leave that up to the next owner, which is going to be Matt. Matt, I'm going to try to get this out for you. We try to have the shipment scheduled for the 1st. They said anywhere from the 1st to the 5th, so I'm still waiting on confirmation for that. But this is kind of where we're at, guys. We're going to get on this side. We're going to cut to the chase. We're not going to play any games. So, guys, bear with me. The angles might not be the best, but I'm going to try to get this on and in. I'm going to lift the car up from this end while we have no side skirt on, just so then we can get it super high and get this thing on and fitted well. So again, what I'm going to do, I'm going to double side tape this side just so then we can make sure that it stays on. After double siding that, we're going to try to go ahead and put the side skirt on. I'm going to just put one screw in the side skirt so then Matt can go ahead and go from there, but I just wanted it to be a pilot for him to know that he can just go ahead and match those two up together from this hole here. So then that's just going to be that end, guys, and truly jump into it and let's get this going. Alright guys, as you guys seen, sorry again for the positioning of the cameras. I know it's a little dark, but whatever. We got the sun coming out right now. We got the side skirt in. So again, this is a very rough in. I did make 2 holes there, one pilot. I made one that I drilled directly into my car. I didn't do the front because the front we're not going to worry about because it does fit very well. Okay, so all I got to do is push up and sit there. He is going to have to sand just a tad bit right at the edge there, just you see where that door matches. But again, this is part of this type of kit. Like, it's a fiberglass kit, right? Like, this is just what it is. Everything else just needs to be up and on. Like, this is again just taped and the tape is dangling, and I got it on one of these. Like, again, this is just a rough on. Excited about it because I haven't seen it. This is gonna be the first time me seeing it on the car. We did do the passenger side, so let me just give you guys another quickie real quick. So this one here, we did do this side, and this side is looking fucking banging. Like, I think this side is looking phenomenal. I really enjoy the way this side looks. So moving to this side, guys, we are going to go ahead and finish this up here. So guys, let's get to it and let's go. Alright folks, what you guys seen me do was just really quickly flatten everything. So everything is nice and smooth, nice and flat. Like, everything is gonna fit flush. I know this doesn't look flat, but guys, it's literally flat. I don't know, the texture looks different, but I guarantee you it's pretty flat. So I kind of just edged everything. Same thing here. Kind of edged this out a little flatter. This kind of has a little bit of a divot, but truly this is just going to sit right where the rocker panel piece is. So you're going to have to attach it here. So that's what I'm going to do. That's why I took off both wheels, but we're going to go ahead and double side tape this side. What I'm going to do is just a couple pieces, and the anchor points maybe right here, another one right here, probably one right there, but we're going to just keep it on, guys. So let's keep going. All right, folks, you guys seen what I was doing. I was actually just kind of mocking up like the areas of where they're going to be sitting. Things are looking really good. Things are fitting really well. This is just a little bulged out here. As you guys can see, I want to be very transparent with you guys, but that's only because I need to push this, right? So if I push this, it all lines up. Look at how flush that is. That goes with this as well. So all we got to kind of do is push, 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 boom, and it fits. There's no stretching, no nothing. So guys, the same thing goes here. Look at, all I got to do is push, 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 and down right there, because you'll have to tack it in right above the side skirt. And this is completely flush, and you still got space to open up your door. You might have to shave a little bit of that, but come on, guys, like that's flush. And this is the vent extender. This is going to be part of the aero installation, so we're not going to install this just yet because I don't want to make this video way too long. What I'm going to do is separate the aero. So we're going to be putting on the front lip, or so the front lip, rear lip, I guess the ducktail. I'm kind of debating if I'm going to even do that because I don't have a regular trunk. I have a Mad PSI trunk, and that does not equate, you know. So this is something that I'm going to have to figure out, or see if one of the MR2 guys of the Midwest has a trunk that they don't need that I can use or buy. So then we can go ahead and mock that up, because I want to make sure that that actually fits before it leaves here. So guys, let's keep it moving. Let's put this car down. Let's see how this thing is look. I mean, this thing is wide, guys. This thing is extremely wide. So I'm really happy on how it's coming out. So let's drop this car. Let's put these tires back on. Let's drop this car, and let's see how this thing is coming out. So let's go, guys. All right, everybody, so you guys seen exactly what I did. I did put the driver's side wide body on. The fitment is great again. The thing is that I've noticed is that it's hard to bend and kind of manipulate a little bit because it's a little chillier. Otherwise, it's fitting phenomenal. I'm gonna have to recommend everybody kind of warming it up, letting it sit in the sun. I mean, or putting some heat to it as you're adjusting it or molding it to your car, or putting it on your car, installing it, just because I don't want any issues of anything cracking or anything like that, just because I'm telling you guys, it's fiberglass and that happens, right? So moving forward, guys, I'm going to give you guys a pan of how this thing is coming out. Again, it's just roughly on there. I don't want to hear it. Next episode, we're going to add the aero. After adding the aero, then we're going to button up everything and make everything nice and tight. So guys, hang tight. This thing is coming out phenomenal. And I think that the way it is right now, it's looking really good. So everybody stay tuned, check this thing out. I'm going to end this video with just some pans of the wide body. All right, guys, thank you. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.